Unlock your flexibility, the ultimate beginner yoga stretch at home. Welcome to our beginner-friendly guide to increasing flexibility through yoga right from the comfort of your home. Yoga is not just a physical practice, but a journey of self-discovery and improvement. Let's begin with the cat-cow stretch, a fantastic way to warm up your spine and find your breath. Flow gently between the two poses. Next, transition into the downward-facing dog. This pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, and shoulders, promoting overall body circulation. Move into the low lunge, an excellent way to open up your hips and strengthen your thighs. Remember to keep your front knee over your ankle. The standing forward bend is next on our list. It's a soothing pose that helps lengthen your back and legs, relieving stress and tension. Now, ease into the seated forward bend. This calming pose stretches your spine and hamstrings, encouraging a peaceful mind. Transition into the child's pose, a restful position that stretches your lower back, hips, thighs, knees, and ankles. It's a moment of relaxation. Remember, flexibility takes time and patience. Practice these poses regularly, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your flexibility and overall well-being.